A for alligator. B for bear. C for cat. D for deer. E for elephant. F for fox. G for giraffe, giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana.
J for jaguar.
J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for newt. O for ocelot. P for panda.
Q for quokka.
R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for Uriel. U for Uriel. V for vicuna. W for wolf. X for Jolite Squinkly. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Subscribe and like Happy Land Fun Kids channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.